learning to romanticize myself, to romanticize my life, getting my makeup done. Last night, I attended an event that reminded me of how important it is to celebrate growth and having a life, even being a mom. And not just a mom, but a mom of two. I've learned that soft life isn't about luxury. It's about peace. Being with sisters, friends turned sisters, having a good time, good energy, laughs. It's just peace. Peace that only you can give yourself. And God, the peace that God alone can give you. I'm grateful to God for friends, turned sisters, turned family. I'm really indeed grateful to God for where I am in this season of life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on your notification buttons. Until next time, I love you. God bless you. Mwah.